Maximize your reach. How to create engaging carousel posts on Instagram. Instagram carousel posts are a powerful tool for boosting engagement and reach. With the ability to share multiple images or videos in one post, you can captivate your audience's attention like never before. Let's dive into how you can create engaging carousel posts that will maximize your reach on Instagram. Why use carousel posts? Carousel posts allow you to tell a story or share a series of connected images. Unlike single image posts, carousels can lead to higher engagement rates. Studies show that users spend more time engaging with carousel posts since they have to swipe to see more. This increased interaction can drive higher visibility on the platform. Tip 1. Plan your story. Before creating your carousel, outline the story you want to tell. Having a clear narrative will keep your audience engaged from the first slide to the last. Introduction. Start with a captivating image or video that introduces the topic. This could be a bold graphic or an eye-catching photo that grabs attention. Body. Follow up with supporting images or short videos that elaborate on your theme. Each slide should add value or story progression. Conclusion. Conclude with a strong call to action or a thought-provoking question that encourages comments and further interaction. Tip 2. Make each slide count. Every slide in your carousel should be valuable and visually appealing. Here are some ways to enhance your slides. High-quality images. Use high-resolution images that are bright and clearly communicate your brand's aesthetic. Text overlays. Consider adding concise text overlays to explain the images or share tips. Remember to keep it readable. Use a font that's easy to digest at a glance. Consistency. Maintain a consistent color scheme and style across all slides. This creates a cohesive look that reinforces your brand identity. Tip 3. Optimize for engagement. Understanding Instagram's algorithm can help maximize your reach. Here are some optimization strategies. Engaging captions. Write compelling captions that encourage users to swipe through all the slides. Ask questions or invite them to share their thoughts in the comments. Hashtags. Use relevant hashtags strategically. Include a mix of popular, niche, and branded hashtags to increase discoverability. Tagging and mentions. If relevant, tag other users or brands featured in your carousel. This can help broaden your audience as they may engage with your post and share it with their followers. Tip 4. Test and analyze. Once your carousel post is live, monitor its performance. Engagement rates. Look at likes, shares, and comments to see how well your audience received the content. Swipe rate. Measure how many users swiped through all the slides. This indicates whether your slides were engaging enough. Comments and interactions. Analyze the feedback your audience gives. This can offer insights into what content resonates and what doesn't. Tip 5. Encourage sharing. Encouraging your viewers to share your carousel posts can expand your reach significantly. Create content that's relatable and shareable. Incentives. Consider running contests or giveaways where sharing your post is part of the entry requirement. Reminder to share. At the end of your carousel, remind users to share it with friends who would find it valuable or interesting. Bonus tip. Keep it short and sweet. While carousels can include up to 10 slides, less is often more. Aim for a maximum of 5 to 7 slides. This keeps the content digestible and engaging, ensuring that users don't lose interest halfway through. In summary, Instagram carousel posts present an exciting opportunity to engage your audience and tell a story. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.